Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start unit number 51 and teach you how to use go, going, work, working, do, doing, etc. For example, do you work? I have to work. I am working in our day-to-day life. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 51. Work, working, go, going, do, doing. Section A. Work, go, be, etc. That is called infinitive. Will, can, must, etc. plus infinitive. Anna will be here soon. Shall I open the window? I might phone you later. May I sit here? I can't meet you tomorrow. Could you pass the salt, please? It's late. I must go now. You shouldn't work so hard. Would you like some coffee? Do, does, did plus infinitive. Do you work? They don't work very hard. Helen doesn't know many people. How much does it cost? What time did the train leave? We didn't sleep well. Section B. To work, to go, to be, etc. To plus infinitive. I am going to play tennis tomorrow. What are you going to do? I have to go now. Everybody has to eat. Do you want to go out? They don't want to come with us. I would like to talk to you. Would you like to go out? They used to work in a factory. Section C. Working, going, playing, etc. Please be quiet. I am working. Tom isn't working today. What time are you going out? It was raining, so we didn't go out. What were you doing at 11:30 yesterday? Now it's time for exercises. 51.1. Complete the sentences. Write phone Paul or to phone Paul. Number 1. I'll phone Paul. Number 2. I'm going to phone Paul. Number 3. Can you phone Paul? Number 4. Shall I phone Paul? Number 5. I would like to phone Paul. Number 6. Do you have to phone Paul? Number 7. You should phone Paul. Number 8. I want to phone Paul. Number 9. I might phone Paul. Number 10. You must phone Paul. Now 51.2. Complete the sentences with a verb from the box. Sometimes you need the infinitive, work, go, etc. And sometimes you need ing, working, going, etc. Number 1. Please be quiet. I am working. Number 2. I feel tired today. I didn't sleep very well last night. Number 3. What time do you usually get up in the morning? Number 4. Where are you going? To the office. Number 5. Did you watch TV last night? Number 6. Look at that plane. It's flying very low. Number 7. You can turn off the radio. I am not listening to it. Number 8. They didn't eat anything because they weren't hungry. Number 9. My friends were waiting for me when I arrived. Number 10. Does Susan always wear glasses? No, only for reading. Number 11. What are you doing tonight? I am staying at home. Now 51.3. Put the verb in the correct form. Choose from the infinitive, work, go, etc. or to work, to go, etc. or working, going, etc. Number 1. Shall I open the window? Number 2. It's late. I have to go now. Number 3. Amanda isn't working this week. She is on holiday. Number 4. I am tired. I don't want to go out. Number 5. It might rain, so take an umbrella with you. Number 6. What time do you have to leave tomorrow morning? Number 7. I am sorry, I can't help you. Number 8. My brother is a student. He is studying physics. Number 9. Would you like to go on a trip round the world? Number 10. When you saw Maria, what was she wearing? Number 11. When you go to London, where are you going to stay? Number 12. I am hungry. I must have something to eat. Number 13. Where is Gary? He is having a bath. Number 14. I used to have a car, but I sold it last year. Number 15. He spoke very quietly. I couldn't hear him. Number 16. You don't look well. I don't think you should go to work today. Number 17. I don't know what he said. I wasn't listening to him. Number 18. I missed the bus and had to walk home. Number 19. I want to know what happened. You must tell me. Number 20. May I borrow this book? Now, this is the end of unit number 51. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 52. Till then, bye bye.